Ash. Shade in the sea. What you guys thinking?
Maybe it can grow to the size.
They can become your size.
Yes.
Can they? Can they be as big as you?
Yeah, there's like this. No, that's not as big. There's one big one. Yeah, this black one.
Is it the biggest?
Yeah, the biggest one.
What is that catfish?
The black one is the biggest, eh?
Don't you afraid?
Let's go.
Hey, three.
Let's be.
Why would it do that?
Let's be.
No.
It's small.
They're small, but there's two.
The go.
I don't know.
Yeah, find them and help them. Yeah, I think they must be upstairs to help them.
Sean was supposed to be the one documenting this. Is this all for Sisonke?
Yeah, I'll show you in the car. That's fine.
Okay, let's just wait for everyone. Let's just wait for.
Easy. Let's say that.
Yeah. Nigga, I also want to be in the video, okay? Sean must be. No, for this one is fine. I cannot. Thank you. Sean, what the shoot and fail? No, just leave them there. Fine. Come, nigga. Hey, tungane phambili.
You shaking the cam.
Oh, well, that book should. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you so much. You guys are stars. Hey? Stay blessed.
Buy the rolls and you can buy some cups. Buy cups.
Thanks a lot. Should order sweat tomato sauce, right?
Yeah, I want tomato sauce.
Shagin goes with her pumpkin machine. This one will be the gas. Shagin pumpkin.
Yeah, if I,
They put it flat. Yes.
yeah, if I get pumpy, it pull me.
It's not gonna roll with it.
Yeah, this, because of the heat, it is like put it in flat.
Hey, we're giving back. Daily bread is giving back, man.
Who's a Malinkana?
Three.
Yes, I can.
Shoot.
Giving back. Mahala. Daily bread.
I got me last money.
This 100, ne?
It was 3. Or 300 rolls? Okay.
No, 220.
Oh. Oh, Mr. Kenny Ken, expose your business, Vajay.
Thank you. Daily bread giving back Easter weekend.
Sure.
Subject, everything. This is not just about the Vienna, it's about us, it's also about cooking, it's about cleaning, it's about the process. When we have the camera here, and this is about everything. How many Viennas are here?
Should be more. How many is in one? Should be more than 200, I think. Because it's 24, 24, 24.
Connected, Pikachu.
Ah, right.
Sleeping on the job.
We are here. Are we going straight in or we coming straight in?
Right. Manje kokotela man, like kokota.
Hey, Charlie.
That's a job. I'm laughing at you.
It's like
another sad song, 'cause I'm weary and I'm worn. I've had a hard time going through it all alone. It's so heavy to carry the weight, bearing on my soul. Still drunk off the moment, still numb from the cold. I need some strength for the sorrow. Oh, please lend a hand. I need some faith in tomorrow. Somebody help me sing. I need some strength for the sorrow. Oh, please lend a hand. I need some faith in tomorrow. Somebody help me sing. It's like I broke down in the middle of the road, on the way to all of my high hopes. Playing goodnight Irene on the old stereo. Still drunk off the moment, still numb from the cold. Still numb from the cold. I need some strength for the sorrow. Oh, please lend a hand. I need some faith in tomorrow. Somebody help me sing. I need some strength for the sorrow. Oh, please lend a hand. I need some faith in tomorrow. Somebody help me sing.
today. I just want to thank you guys. Really, you're doing so much effort, especially during this rainy, cold day here at Tango Camp. I just want to tell you, you would be blessed. You are blessed by God. Your hearts are going really out towards the children here, and thanks a lot. We appreciate it. And please, guys, maybe your friend, next door neighbor, inform them about the children that are suffering here due to the fact that bad living circumstances. Let open up the hearts, but not the wallets. The hearts, all unwanted goods, more than welcome. Guys, God bless. Have a wonderful, awesome day.